Are you thinking about buying the Uber Pro card? Before making a decision, there are a few things you need to know. In this video, we'll break down 12 key points to help you make an informed choice. By the end, you'll know if the Uber Pro card is worth it and how it compares to other options on the market. First off, the Uber Pro card is a financial tool that can make managing your Uber earnings more convenient. It offers instant access to your earnings, allowing you to spend them right away. But how does it stack up against other options, like the Lyft driver card or other prepaid debit cards designed for gig workers? Next thing, let's talk about the rewards. With the Uber Pro card, you earn cash back on various categories like gas, dining, and groceries. For Uber drivers, it can make a lot of sense since gas rewards are the most lucrative. However, compared to other cards specifically targeting gig workers, Uber Pro's cashback rates aren't always the highest, so it's worth considering whether those rewards will be worth it for you. The third thing you should know is that there's no monthly fee, which is a huge plus. A lot of prepaid cards come with hidden fees that can eat into your earnings, but Uber Pro doesn't charge one for keeping the card active. But do note, there are still some transaction fees, especially if you want to withdraw cash at an ATM. Next, we should mention the card's integration with the Uber app. The Pro card is designed to work seamlessly with the Uber platform. If you're an Uber driver, this could make it easier to track your spending and keep an eye on your income. But not all gig platforms offer such integration, so if you also drive for Lyft or DoorDash, this integration could be a pro or a con depending on your preferences. The fifth thing, the card offers a solid customer support service. Many gig worker cards are lacking in this area, but Uber Pro has decent customer service accessible through the app. However, when compared to options like the Cash App card or the Chime Visa, it may feel like the customer support experience could be more robust. The sixth point to consider is the availability of free ATM withdrawals. The Uber Pro card allows you to withdraw cash at thousands of ATMs for free, but it's limited to certain networks, so make sure there's one nearby where you work before relying on it. Next, the Uber Pro card offers benefits to drivers who are part of the Uber Pro Rewards program. This can give you access to additional perks like discounts on vehicle maintenance and higher earnings potential. But keep in mind, you have to be a high-rated driver to unlock these benefits, so it's not a guarantee for everyone. The eighth point is about the bonus cash rewards for specific actions. When you reach certain milestones, you can earn bonus cash back. However, these rewards are limited in scope and are only available to certain drivers who meet certain requirements. The ninth thing you need to know is that the card doesn't offer as many customization options as competitors. For example, other gig worker cards like the Chime card offer features like automatic savings or the ability to create separate accounts for different goals, which Uber Pro lacks. Next, the Uber Pro card is designed to be a straightforward, no-frills option. There's not a lot of advanced features like investment or credit building options that some other cards offer. So, if you're looking for something that provides a broader range of financial tools, this may not be the card for you. The 11th thing to note is security. The Uber Pro card uses the latest encryption technology to keep your transactions safe. But, like with any prepaid card, your protection may not be as comprehensive as a full-service credit card. Finally, Uber Pro offers a unique benefit for frequent riders as well. If you're both a driver and a rider, you can also earn points for rides, giving you another way to unlock rewards. This added flexibility can be great if you use Uber in different ways, but it might not matter much if you only drive. All in all, the Uber Pro card is a decent option for Uber drivers looking for simplicity and immediate access to earnings. However, compared to other cards that offer more rewards or financial tools, it may not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for a better option that offers more flexibility and better financial management tools, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.